Hey everyone, I am doing well. In this quick video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Sway Market to your Cash App. So withdrawing your money from Sway Market is very easy to do. Just follow this video till the end and you will be able to get your money from Sway Market to your Cash App. So first thing you need to do is open up your Cash App and then click on your home icon or the amount you have in your account at the bottom. So this will display the current amount you have in your account. So simply click on that. Now once you do that, this will open up this page. So from here you have to click on Bitcoin tile. So click on that. Now on this page you can see the balance, Bitcoin balance you have in your account and the current price of Bitcoin. You can also see the graph. So what you need to do is just get your Bitcoin address. So for that you need to scroll down and you will see this option, your Bitcoin address. So click on that. Once you do that, this will display your Bitcoin address. So you just have to click on this copy button and copy this Bitcoin address. Now after this you have to open up your Sway Market website and then log in your account. After this you have to navigate or the click on this withdraw button from the sidebar. So click on that. Then this will open up this page. So from here you have to select the BTC option and then click on this confirm button. Now on this next option you have to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. You can also specify the account that you want to withdraw your money from. You can use your wallet with a specific account. So simply do that and then enter the amount. You can also select your currency and then click on this continue button. Now once you do that, you have to click on this continue button. So once you click on this continue button, it will ask for your wallet address in additional information. So you have to paste the Bitcoin address that you have copied from Cash App earlier. And once you paste that code and click on continue, it will send a verification to your email, verification email to your email. So you have to check for that. And this will look like this. So you have to just click on this URL. And once you click on that, your payment will be successfully processed and you can see the status of your payment in this right section and the amount you have withdrawn and the commission it will take you to withdrawing your money. So that is how you can withdraw money from Sway Market to your Cash App. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.